The crossroad between Prince Edward Road and Sai Street is surrounded by a big flower market and buildings full of offices. This is why it is a perfect example of Hong Kong traffic and how frustrating it can get for both passengers and drivers.
We hope to simplify the existing traffic network underground by adding an underground tunnel as to lower the occurrence of accidents. The bar-mimicking tunnel works as an alternative for the pedestrians, especially for passengers heading to the flower market, who usually carry their goods with trolleys, hence made the trafficking more frustrating on the already chaotic crossroad. Modeling after the ants, we learned a systematic approach of the insects moving food via the self-built tunnels with multiple exits. The tunnel could help the workers from the flower market to transport the goods in a safe manner. The tunnel is also equipped with the function of thermal regulation, making use of the upwards ventilation. There will be upwards tubes within the main underground, one connecting to the surface. This will encourage airflow as well as despite heat. The hot air will travel upwards and out of the tunnel underground. These can be enhanced by utilizing materials with high thermal capacity to construct the walls of the tunnel, such as concrete. For the building on the sides of the road, we'll install solar panels and reflective silver-like material on the rooftop. The solar panel would create renewable energy to support electricity usage of the operations. The reflective material is an idea drawn from the Sahara silver ants. It helps avoid excessive heat being absorbed to the road. Therefore, it can ease the problem of irritating sunlight disturbing the pedestrian during waiting time and achieve sustainability.
By capturing the CO2 in the exhaust from the cars through a process called homogeneous oleocatalysis, the converters on the road would store methanol from CO2, and this would clear the air quality of the area as CO2 emission to the air is reduced. The methanol that is produced can be used as a fuel, which can be used for the traffic lights or the weight pressure sensors.
Moving walk powered by solar energy is also added as another intelligent design. The solar-powered road acts as moving walk during the day, transporting passengers, and it lights up the road during night when there are less people walking. This prevents the passenger from bumping into each other because the crossroad is divided into two parts, traveling in two opposite directions. It also makes the movement of passengers faster, thus reducing the traffic. During the night, excess power combined with motion sensors enables the passengers to cross the road safer because the road lights up as they pass it. We have added in pressure sensing barriers to the smart traffic system. The barriers would be raised and lowered according to the changes of signs. In order to cater the unexpected situations, the pressure sensors could provide timely information to the smart system, making the barriers switch according to the real-time traffic situation. It helps prevent the illegal trespassing and confusion among the cars, as well as unnecessary traffic jam.
Moving on to the usage of smart materials, the weight sensor on the road analyzes how many cars are waiting by the length of the queue, and it also works as an estimate of how many people are waiting for a green light. Weight sensor would analyze this information and change the traffic light so that it's more efficient. Another usage of smart materials is hydrofoil by electrodeposition. The spray layer of hydrofoil acts like a lotus in which the surface would help the water droplets and dirt to slide off the leaves. As it gets sprayed on the streets,
the current problem synchronization on multiple traffic light systems at adjacent intersections is complex given the various parameters involved. Conventional systems do not handle variable flows approaching the junctions. The smart system we design is equipped with smart design and materials that evaluate the traffic density using sensors and accomplishing dynamic timing slots of different levels. The technology enables a more user-friendly and effective sign system.